Microsoft just changed the AI game again. At Ignite 2024, they unveiled tools that don't just assist you, they work for you. From building intelligent agents to revolutionizing businesses, this isn't just innovation, it's the future of AI. In this video, I'm breaking down the most important highlights from Microsoft Ignite, focusing on the new game-changing feature, Copilot plus agents. Microsoft even gave a live demo to showcase its power, and I'm here to explain exactly what that means for you.
Thanks, Satya. Let's imagine for a moment that I work in sales. My day is comprised of a lot of important but time-consuming tasks, which can take away from the time I spend building customer relationships and closing deals. That's where agents come in. Created in Copilot Studio, agents range from simple prompt and response to fully autonomous. They help with everything from prioritizing leads, to scheduling meetings, to fulfilling orders. Let me show you. I have an autonomous agent that monitors and fulfills customer orders on my behalf. It alerts me when there's a cross-sell or upsell opportunity. I can see one of my longtime customers placed a big order for more product. The agent is able to quickly fulfill this order and send me an alert that this is a great opportunity to offer the customer additional products. In seconds, this deal just got the potential to be a lot more lucrative. Let's take the next step and get ready for the pitch meeting. I need to quickly get up to speed on the latest product updates and roadmap. For that, I go to SharePoint. Over the years, SharePoint has become the most used solution in the enterprise for knowledge and business process. This site is where we keep all of the latest product specs, roadmap, and training materials. Now, every SharePoint site has an agent. So all this rich information is immediately accessible and useful. I can find just what I need in seconds by simply asking the agent. Now, let's jump back to BizChat. From here, I can interact with the same SharePoint agent by simply mentioning it. I can ask it to give me an overview of the relevant products, availability, and pitch decks. Because the agent is grounded in this SharePoint site, it pulls from the right source of truth and gives me just what I'm looking for. Now, it's been a while since I've met with this customer, and of course, I want to put my best foot forward and understand where they're at. Copilot points me to the sales agent, which surfaces all of the details that I need, like account highlights and opportunities, our most recent sales engagements, and interactions with the customer. I can see that I have a new counterpart on the customer side, and I want to learn more about them. For that, I'm going to turn to LinkedIn. I can simply @mention the LinkedIn Sales Navigator agent to see their background and experience and who else I might know in their network. It looks like we have several connections in common. Within seconds, I'm up to speed on my new partner right in the flow of work. Now, I'm ready for the meeting, and I never even opened my CRM. I'm going to fast forward to after the meeting. It was super successful, and now I'm going to work up a quote. Let's jump over to SAP's Copilot Joule. I ask it to reference the latest pricing sheet, and I want it to reflect the appropriate discount given the size of the order. SAP Joule generates a detailed quote I can quickly review and send to the customer. Now I'm in great shape to land the business. And it's not just SAP. Many of our largest partners are creating agents to bring their unique knowledge right into the flow of work, from HR to finance to sales. Take ServiceNow, which covers customer service, human resource management, and workplace services. Or Adobe, which can help your team build world-class marketing, design, and visual content. Copilot will empower every employee, and Copilot Studio agents will transform every business process.
Now let's talk about the backbone of all these revolutionary tools, Copilot and AI stacks. At Ignite, Microsoft CEO explained how this powerful combination is set to transform the way businesses and developers work. Here's what they revealed.
Copilot and AI stack. Now, the way we're approaching this is pretty simple. What we're doing is we're taking all of these apps we're building with Copilot and agents and Copilot Studio and exposing every layer of that tech stack so that you can use that to build your own copilots and agents. That's it. That's as simple as it is. Every app is becoming an AI app. And over the past year, we've seen unbelievable momentum in what people have been able to build. Take a great example like NASA. Data scientists have built the Earth Copilot. They have all this enormous amounts of geospatial data, contains tremendous insights. Everything from climate and air quality that can be super helpful for urban planning or disaster response. But its scale and complexity is quite difficult to analyze. And so the Earth Copilot makes it possible for anyone to navigate all this data using just natural language for the first time. For example, you can see how air quality right here in Chicago has changed over the years. That's an analysis you can now just do in natural language. On the other side of the world, Toyota has built Oobeya, meaning big room in Japanese. Their ambition is to create this big room of AI agents that are accessible 24/7 for all their engineers. Right? It's all grounded in their engineering designs, regulatory information, even handwritten docs. You can OCR them, put them into this Copilot. Engineers can ask it and anything from how to make a car run faster or something super specific about some emissions output. And so these are all the examples. In fact, right after my keynote, you're going to hear from Lance from BlackRock in conversation with Judson on what they're doing with Aladdin and Azure. It's really an exciting sort of work that they're doing, so it'll be great to listen to Lance. These are some examples on how the stack is being used today. And we're just getting started, adding, in fact, capabilities across every layer of the tech stack here, starting right at the infrastructure layer. We continue to build out Azure as the world's computer. Over the past year, we have added and made so many data center in 15 countries, data center investments in 15 countries across 6 continents. We now have 60 plus data center regions, more than any other provider. We're innovating to build these data centers sustainably. I'm really proud of this. In fact, we just announced 2 data centers in Northern Virginia, built completely with low-carbon cross-laminated timber to reduce embodied carbon footprint. This new construction model will really reduce the carbon footprint of our data centers by 35% compared to any conventional steel construction. So it's exciting to see this. Right, and when people say data center is the computer, increasingly we really think of the system starting right from the construction all the way. At the network level, we're delivering innovation in hollow core fiber. This technology delivers absolute breakthroughs, whether it's speed or bandwidth or power efficiency, in fact, compared to traditional fiber. Obviously photons travel faster in air compared to glass. And earlier this year, we demonstrated fiber loss at the lowest level ever achieved in optical fiber. This low fiber loss is absolutely critical for data center to data center connectivity. And we now have production routes of hollow fiber running. And in fact, we're going to add 15,000 additional kilometers planned over the next 24 months.
And that's it. Microsoft is clearly shaping the future of AI, and tools like Copilot plus agents and AI stacks are just the beginning. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting AI updates and insights. Thanks for watching.